good morning here. I hope everybody are fine in this channel and my subscribers and followers. Okay, this is good morning and this night, last night, rainy night, and here little bit cold weather, but the rainy night after very cold weather here, air and no windy but weather cold. You see, this is the river of Astor. Very everywhere greenery. I hope many people know about this area, but I request you, tourist people, if you like, come here, enjoy and enjoy my channel, enjoy this area, and stay here. Here, our neighbors, villagers available there in hotels available in this area or in the hotel maybe after 1 year 2 year may be available here at this time. Our neighbors village there was hotel available before this year, 1 and 2 year ago. Prepare new hotel, two hotels, very nice look and beautiful rooms, beautiful beds, everything available in the hotel. I hope tourists come here and enjoy our this village. And you see, front of me everywhere greenery and river. Behind me everywhere greenery. Yesterday rainy day, therefore this area is very cold.